Confidence isn't a personality trait, it's a state, and like any state, you can change it. You don't need an hour of meditation or a weekend retreat. All you need is 10 seconds. Here's a simple, powerful reset you can use anytime, anywhere to shift your state and find your footing. Now, a quick note, this is for educational purposes. Think of it as a tool, not a treatment. It works best in those small moments right before a challenge. A phone call you've been putting off, walking into a classroom, a big meeting at work, or even just before you start a workout at the gym. The reset has 3 simple parts. Think of it as PBA, posture, breath, and 1 brave action. That's it. Let's break it down. First, part 1, posture. This is about your physical foundation. Start by planting your feet firmly on the ground, about shoulder width apart. Feel the connection to the floor. Now imagine a string pulling you up gently from the crown of your head. Grow tall. Let your shoulders roll back and then drop down, opening up your chest. Your hands should be relaxed at your sides, not clenched in your pockets. Unclench your jaw. Let your face soften. Finally, bring your eyes level, looking straight ahead at the horizon. This isn't about puffing out your chest in some aggressive power pose. It's about creating an open, stable, and upright physical structure. Your body is sending a quiet signal to your brain that you're present, you're stable, and you're ready. Second, part 2, breath. We're going to use one specific, powerful breath called the physiological sigh. Your body actually does this automatically to reset your nervous system, especially during sleep or moments of relief. Here's how to do it consciously. Take a relatively small inhale through your nose. Then when you feel like you're full, take another quick little sip of air to top it all off. Now a long, slow, complete exhale through your mouth. Let it all go. Let the exhale do all the work. That double inhale fully inflates the tiny air sacs in your lungs, and a long, extended exhale sends a powerful calming signal to your brain through a major nerve called the vagus nerve. It's your body's built-in off switch for the fight or flight response. Your heart rate slows, your body calms, and your mind follows. Finally, part 3, action. This has 2 quick steps. First, you have to swap your internal story. Instead of letting the anxious thoughts run on a loop, you consciously choose a different one. It can be as simple as, I'm ready, or I can handle this. Pick one and say it to yourself, silently. This is the mental micro switch. The second step is the most important part. You have to move. Do one brave micro action. This is what makes the reset real. It bridges the gap from feeling ready to being in motion. Ask the question, start typing the first sentence, say the first word. Just do one tiny thing that breaks the inertia and moves you forward. The goal here isn't to suddenly feel completely fearless. That's not realistic. The goal is to feel just 10% more steady, to go from feeling shaky to feeling grounded. That's the win. That small shift can make all the difference in the world. So think about it. Where will you use this 10-second reset first? Before that tough conversation at work, walking into a social event, tackling a difficult assignment for school? You don't have to wait for confidence to find you. You can create it right here, right now, in just 10 seconds. All it takes is your posture, your breath, and one small brave step.